Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to JobSword channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So today there is a recruitment notice of National Fertilizer Limited. It is for the experienced person. So if you are fresher, then you can skip the video, and if you have experience, then keep watching. So if you are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So as you can see, recruitment of experienced professional in production, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, chemical, laboratory, civil and fire safety discipline. So this is the vacancy position for production mechanical. There is two category. First category is engineer and second category for the manager for respective discipline. So for civil and instrumentation and fire safety, there is no manager post. There is only engineer's post. And for chemical laboratory, there is 6 vacancy for senior chemist. So we'll next move to pay scale. So for the engineers and senior chemist, the pay scale is from 40,000 to 1,40,000, and for manager it is 70,000 to 2 lakhs. So as I said you before, there is two category. One is engineer, second is manager. For the engineer, the upper age limit is 30, and for the manager, the upper age limit is 45. So for engineer, the qualification is minimum 60% mark in engineering degree, that is BTech, BE, BSc engineering for your respective discipline. And for the experience, there is total post qualification experience is 1 year for the engineers, and you have to work in government or PSU employees should have worked at least for 1 year or more level below pay scale and presently working in the same or higher pay scale as on cut-off date. So the cut-off date is 31st March. And same for the manager. Government PSU employees should have worked for 2 years or more in one level below pay scale or presently working in the same or higher pay scale. So for the engineer it is 1 year, for the manager it is 2 years. And for the senior chemist, you have the qualification, you should have the qualification of MSc chemistry, and as you can see, it is also the same post qualification experience, that is 1 year. So as I said you before, age limit is 30 for the engineers and 45 for the manager. So they have mentioned that the post qualification experience, that is 1 year or 2 years, that should be before 31st March 2020. So they have mentioned here for the engineers, the minimum required CTC, it should be on 31st March 2020, that is 12.09 lakhs per annum, and minimum years qualification, that is 2 years. For engineers or senior chemists, that is 6.05 lakhs per annum, and post year qualification is 1 year. So the application fee for general EWS OBC, it is 700, and it should be demand draft in the favor of National Fertilizer Limited, payable at New Delhi. For STSC ex-servicemen PWD, they did not have to pay the fee. So next we will move to how to apply. Just go to the careers recruitment in NFL. After that, the recruitment of experienced professional in your respective discipline. So you have to apply that and just download it and seal in a envelope along with some self-attested documents, and above the envelope just write application for the post of your respective discipline, and you have to send it to the address I have just marked in yellow. So these are the self-attested photocopy. These are 9 documents you have to attach and send. So they have mentioned the last date of receipt of the duly complete application form along with required documents, it is 27 May 2020. So if you belongs to Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Union Territory of Ladakh, Lahore, Spiti district, Bhagwi subdivision of Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, Union Territory of Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Then the date is 3rd June 2020. So what is the shortlisting and selection process? So you have to apply. If the candidates are less in the application form, then they will conduct a personal interview. They will shortlist and call for personal interview. So if there is large number of application, then they will conduct a online test. After that they will call for the interview. So they have mentioned here, candidates are required to qualify the personal interview separately with a minimum of 50% mark in interview. So you have to secure at least 50% mark in your interview. So if you qualified after the online exam, then if they call for the interview, then they will give TA. So here is the important details. Cutoff date is, as I told you before, that is 31st March, and you have to send it, and they should have received it before 27 May. So this is the detailed notification of National Fertilizer Limited for the experienced job. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and keep studying, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.